This is what Mama made. It's a ice. We sell this for 5 pesos. This is how big. We have a different variety as well. We have Hello, my dear amazing friends. Good afternoon to each and every one of you. This is a ordinary day and the day mostly I did in my life here in the farm. As we done harvest, there's nothing to do here and just watching the leaves dancing from the fresh air. It's been hot day today and I decide to share a little bit about the ordinary day and the boring day I have here in the province. When there's nothing to do, Mama like to cooking. She try to bake without oven, so we make a steamed cupcakes but without icing on it. This is a recipe called puto here in the Philippines and it's popular and this is one of the recipe that Mama like to make the most. Mayroon mo. When I work less, I eat less. But let's have this snacks. We mostly have a big meals. Like lunch is really a big food for us. But for me, I have this self-discipline that if I don't do a lots of movement, which working, I don't want to eat much. So if I work lots, then I eat lots. That's the rule I made for myself because if I eat so much and do nothing, I fall asleep, and I think that's not good habit that I did. And guys, Yang is eating. this is what Mama made. It's a ice candy. So this one is mango float flavor. It seems like mango float, but it's like a lots of milk of it. Uh, how I explain the mango float? Maybe some of you seen already the mango float. Mango float is like a layer of it is grahams, crackers, mango, milk. That's the layer. Uh, you put that in the freezer, and it's turned to be like a cake. That's how the mango float. I put a photo of it in the screen so you can see it. So this is related to that. We use graham and milk, but this one is like a juice, and we freeze them so they are icy. It's perfect for the weather because it is a hot day today, and for almost month that was hot in here. So this is really a perfect one. So we sell this for 5 pesos. This is how big it is. We have a different variety as well. We have fresh buko juice that we put coconut inside as well. And same process of this one, but coconut only, no graham crackers or mango. But this one, grahams and mango. So it's a mango float juice. It's a mama recipe. Alright everyone, thank you so much for always watching my vlog. I truly appreciate the big support that you give to my channel, to all new here as well, and to all my first subscribers that who's still here for a long time that I was started. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. I truly grateful to have you all as subscribers and my friends. Please remember to take care of yourself and stay safe, and God will bless you all. Bye for now. I will love to see you in the next vlog. Hope to see you soon. Hope you have a blessed day, and don't forget to smile.